Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Caffeine and Octane, the largest car show here in the southeast. It's held the first Sunday of every month here at the Car Galleria, and we are trying to find one of their newest features. It's called the for sale lot that allows you to bring your cars and other automotive content so that you can sell it and interact with buyers and sellers, etc. Before we go to the for sale lot, we are going to walk around and see what's on display. We're going to talk to some of the owners and then just walk over to the for sale lot and also see what's there. My name is Don from the YouTube channel, The Bitter Car Guy. Please subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, like the video, and let's go check out Caffeine and Octane. I said I like the color. What is it, a wrap or is it paint? It's a wrap? Yeah. That's a bold choice.
The bottle and if it gets to go down your fucking throat.
Alright,
it's a Mustang.
So what's going on under the hood here?
He blew a meth line.
No, it's a little screwed up, so I'm trying to put it back
His
together.
meth line's fucked.
You know what? Somebody fuck your damn hand a minute. Trying to put that back together. Make sure the meth goes in the.
Oh, so it's meth injected?
Yes, water methanol injection. So much fun.
Wow.
Oh, you like the wheel?
What does it sound like?
No one knows about having
Really hear it?
Right there.
What in the world? His own little German muscle car going here. Wow. Oh wow. Wow. I'm getting strong race car vibes here.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's Lucky Dog Racing, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Champ car.
One of yours. It's yours?
Yeah, man.
Where do you race it?
I will be racing it in probably Lemons and Lucky Dog and maybe Champ.
This is too nice for Lemons, man.
Well, there's a lot of these showing up at Lemons now.
Really?
You know, Lemons has changed quite a bit.
Yeah, okay.
You know, or it is changing, you know.
Okay.
But it's still, you know, they've got the roots there, which is also a lot of fun.
Yeah. And then sneak a peek on the interior.
Yeah, you got fired up.
Wellwood brakes on the front or all around?
Yep.
Oh wow. Sounds nice. Wow. Now what's the white cage-like thing at the bottom?
So that's the fuel cell cage.
Okay.
Yes, it's.
Oh wow. That is something else.
How many gallons? How many gallons? That's 22. Yeah.
Race fuel?
No. I run actually by 93, and then use an additive.
Okay.
Torque. It brings it up to about 98.
Like an octane booster?
Yeah, basically. Yeah. Yeah, basically it is an octane booster, or it acts like one.
You wanna pop the hood? Let's see what's going on under the hood. I learned something new today.
Right?
I didn't know this is how you guys got the hood put on.
Yeah, works pretty good. And fiberglass, you don't want it from blowing off.
Yeah, yeah.
I think it was an LQ8. What was it?
Wow.
That's not too bad.
That is awesome.
Hey, where'd you guys put the hood on? Yeah. You guys make the hood yourself? Where'd you guys put the okay. That's
Trying to make our way to the for sale lot. Got some Tasha's over here. Honda STK, VRZ, Civic, Yaris, A90, Supra. Oh, this Javits called. I haven't seen him in a while. Oh yeah, that's a Ford GT. Wow, so we got this over. It's very windy out today. Got the engine set up. Look at its gauges.
Like match the car.
Matches the paint scheme of the car. Wow, we also got a Ford GT. Is this yours? That's yours? What year is it?
It's actually a kit car.
It's a kit car.
Yeah, I just finished.
Okay, cool. What engine is in it?
It's a Ford Illuminator 52 XS. Naturally aspirated, 580 horsepower.
580. Manual, auto, or manual transmission. Cool. Which company makes the kit for this?
A company called Superlight here
Okay.
in Michigan.
Okay, cool, cool. How long did it take for you to put the whole thing together?
3 years.
That's an investment in time.
It was during COVID. So
You allowed that to happen?
That's what he does.
Oh my gosh.
What he does.
That's a lot of time. But it's worth it at the end?
Absolutely.
Yeah, okay, cool, cool. What does it sound like?
Well, he's about to crank the car, so watch out.
Woo! Wow. Yeah. That is crazy right there. Wow. So you had to buy all these gauges, or it came as part of the kit?
The gauges came as part of the kit.
Okay, cool, cool. Wow, and I like the shifter, the gated manual.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's separate, but
Yeah. So you guys live in the country, because I don't know how your neighbors.
I don't crank it up in the morning.
Okay. Got all the motorcycle parking here. I'm running out of battery, guys, so I'm trying to get to the lot where the sale cars are before the battery dies. This is your area. Your area of expertise.
We can do like 130 each.
And then we've got an armored carrier over there. Alright guys, well, I'm on fumes when it comes to the battery, but we finally made it to the for sale lot, so let's go check these cars out real quick, see what's here, see if there's anything of note, and then try to wrap this video up before the battery dies. Got quite a crowd around the cars. I think that's the Mitsubishi GT 3000, is that what this is? What is this?
This is
Yeah.
Hey, good luck, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now, did they all come with all-wheel drive?
No, sir. Some of them are the SL, which are four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive. The VR4 and the MR did come in the all-wheel drive system.
Okay.
So they're turbo as well.
Yeah. Oh, it is turbo.
Sure.
So how much power does it make?
It's pushing 320.
320?
320.
Cool. How did you end up with this?
We import cars.
Oh, you import.
Yes, sir.
So are you, what's your company's name?
It's called Hoshi Motion.
Okay. Thank you.
We're out of Gainesville.
Thank you for the
Not too
sticker.
far.
You got a customer when you give me a sticker.
I like that, boss. I like that.
Thank you.
No, they're the smallest.
That looks like a 335i BMW. That's really nice though. And we got a A90 Supra. M235. Oh, this is Jared's car. Yeah, he does cartel. He has all those meets in Gwinnett County. So this is his car. Yours? What is it? Nissan Gloria?
Cedric.
Cedric.
Same thing.
Okay, okay, cool. What year?
93.
Okay. Open it up. So this came with the cloth seats, automatic.
Yeah, automatic.
Yeah.
This one's the single turbo version.
Single turbo.
Same power plant as a
Very smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, very smooth.
They're very linear turbo. There's no
Yeah.
big boost. It's just all pretty linear.
Yeah, and you upgraded the radio. It came with that.
I upgraded the radio, sound system, tinted windows, wheels.
Okay, cool. That is cool. That is cool. What am I looking at here?
We're looking at a 1953 Ford cab-over engine C600 with
Okay.
a Chevy drivetrain in it, disc brakes,
Okay.
power steering.
Cool. How long have you had it?
I've been working on it for about 9 months.
Okay. Looks very different. I've never seen one.
Thank you.
I'll be honest about
That's
that.
what I'm going for. I was born left-handed. I've been doing it my whole life.
Wow. That's a huge speaker you got. Let me see. Alright, so we got this Chevy Resto Mod right here. 128.9. Wow. Wow. The interior is like. Woo, look at the interior. No, it's not the split. I thought it was a split. Wow. And the paint. So he has like Wilwood brakes and the brake booster and everything going on. Wow. Okay. What am I looking at here, guys?
71 C10.
Okay. What have you done under the hood? Anything?
LS motor.
Yeah,
LS.
5.7
Wow.
liter LS.
Okay. Cool. Who you guys did the work yourself?
No, we just we buy and sell.
Okay. Cool. Where do you have it listed?
It's on pretty much every classic car site, pretty much eBay, Facebook Marketplace.
Okay.
Anywhere
Really
on
nice.
Google, you're pretty much able to find it when you're looking for classic cars, classic
Yeah.
trucks.
Okay. How much does something like this go for?
What's your guess?
35.
60. We'll probably end up getting like around 50, 55 for it.
Wow.
But we have it listed at 60.
Yeah. Wow. It's affordable though.
It is.
They don't make these anymore. Yeah.
To do this truck and with patina and a camper shell on a custom interior with the LS motor,
Yeah.
you're looking at probably right around 50, but you gotta wait a long time.
No, it's worth it. I can see paying that much for it. Looks really good. All right, but thank you, buddy.
What are we looking at here?